Camping has come a long way, with innovative gear designed to make outdoor adventures more comfortable, convenient, and exciting. From high-tech survival tools to space-saving essentials, these incredible camping inventions will transform the way you experience the wilderness. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a weekend explorer, these gadgets enhance safety, efficiency, and enjoyment in the great outdoors. Get ready to discover game-changing gear that will make your next camping trip easier, smarter, and more enjoyable than ever. Without further ado, let's get started. When exploring the outdoors, having a lightweight, high-protein meal without sacrificing taste or nutrition is essential. The Peak Refuel Premium Freeze delivers nearly twice the protein of other options. It uses 100% real meat and premium ingredients with no fillers. The 15 delicious meal options ensure a natural taste and texture, just like homemade food. Quick to prepare and requiring less water, Peak Refuel is perfect for camping, backpacking, or survival situations. Whether you're deep in the backcountry or on a short hike, it provides high-quality, protein-packed meals to keep you energized and ready for any adventure. Just add water and enjoy. When spending time outdoors, staying cool and having a reliable light source is crucial for comfort and convenience. The Double POW Camping LED fan combines powerful airflow with a super bright LED light, making it the perfect companion for camping, fishing, or emergencies. Its 40,000 mAh rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance. The double clover design and 270-degree rotation provide superior airflow, while the sturdy ABS material makes it fall-proof and durable. With separate fan and light controls, 5 brightness settings, and cold and warm illumination modes, it adapts to any environment, whether you're outdoors or using it for work, study, or relaxation. Braving the cold during outdoor adventures requires gear that keeps you warm, dry, and comfortable without adding unnecessary weight. Meet the BeGlue Aerogel Sleeping Bag, designed for extreme conditions, offering all-around windproof protection, 10,000 millimeters waterproofing, and ultralight construction. Engineered for mountaineering, bushcraft, and winter camping, this high-performance sleeping bag ensures warmth even in the harshest environments. Featuring advanced aerogel insulation, it provides exceptional thermal retention without bulk. Whether facing sub-zero temperatures or unpredictable weather, it allows adventurers to focus on the beauty of nature while staying secure, warm, and ready to conquer challenges. With a BeGlue, extreme conditions become home. Staying warm and cooking efficiently in the outdoors requires a reliable heat source that is both portable and safe. Introducing the HuskFirm Wood Burning Stove, a versatile, folding tent stove designed for camping, heating, and cooking in various environments. Its portable design with folding handles allows easy carrying while doubling as a drying rack for gloves and socks. Featuring a spark-proof system, adjustable air intake, and chimney smoke outlet, it ensures controlled combustion and safety. The stove efficiently heats tents, tiny homes, and outdoor spaces, while the welded rain cover prevents moisture entry. Perfect for camping, courtyards, and beyond, HuskFirm offers warmth and convenience wherever adventure takes you. Reliable power is essential for outdoor adventures, travel, and emergencies, ensuring devices stay charged wherever you go. Introducing the Darren R 100 Power Station, a lightweight, portable energy solution that delivers up to 100-watt AC output with 7 ports for multiple devices. Weighing just 1 kilogram, it features a convenient handle for easy carrying. It supports fast charging via AC or solar power, ensuring quick energy replenishment. Equipped with durable LiPo4 batteries for safety and longevity, it operates at a low noise level of 40 decibels. The built-in adjustable LED light provides illumination for any situation, making the Darren R 100 the ultimate on-the-go power companion for any adventure. Staying warm in extreme conditions is essential for outdoor adventures, winter sports, and emergencies. The Mitsuhashi insulation blanket is designed with aerogel insulation technology, the same material used in spacesuits, to provide exceptional warmth even in -10 degrees Celsius temperatures. Infused with Nobel Prize-winning graphene, it offers superior durability, lightweight comfort, and antibacterial properties. The waterproof design ensures protection against moisture, making it ideal for camping, skiing, and survival situations. Unlike bulky alternatives, this thin yet highly effective insulation completely blocks cold air while remaining breathable. Whether used outdoors or at home, the Mitsuhashi insulation blanket delivers next-level warmth and reliability for any adventure. Inflating outdoor gear efficiently is essential for hassle-free adventures, whether paddleboarding, kite surfing, or camping. Introducing the FlexTail Max SUP Pump, a powerful cordless air pump designed for quick and effortless inflation. With a 9,600 mAh built-in battery, it eliminates the need for tangled cords, while the hidden handle ensures easy portability. Its automatic dual-stage system delivers up to 360 liters per minute high-speed inflation, making it 6 times faster than manual pumps. Featuring a digital display with precise pressure control, it allows real-time monitoring and an automatic shutoff to prevent overinflation. With kite and mat modes, memory presets, and a cooling system, this lightweight, versatile pump is perfect for any outdoor adventure. Staying warm and comfortable outdoors requires a durable and versatile solution that adapts to any adventure. Introducing the Rumpel Original Puffy Blanket, a lightweight, packable, and water-resistant puffer blanket made with 100% recycled polyester insulation, repurposing over 18 million plastic bottles to date. Designed with technical materials found in premium sleeping bags and jackets, it offers exceptional warmth while being machine washable for easy care. The ripstop shell with DWR coating resists water, stains, and odors, making it ideal for camping, hiking, beach days, and travel. Featuring a cape clip for hands-free wear and corner loops for staking, this sustainable, adventure-ready blanket is the perfect outdoor companion. Keeping drinks cold for hours is essential for staying refreshed throughout the day. Introducing the Hydro Flask Travel Tumbler Cup, a stainless steel insulated tumbler designed for sports, work, school, travel, and weekend adventures. With double wall vacuum insulation and temp shield technology, it locks in cold temperatures for hours, ensuring every sip is as refreshing as the first. The leak-resistant straw lid makes drinking effortless while preventing spills. Crafted from pro-grade stainless steel, It guarantees a pure taste with no flavor transfer. Cup holder friendly and dishwasher safe, this tumbler is built for convenience and durability, making it the perfect companion for cold drinks on the go. Staying cool during hot summer days is essential, especially for outdoor work and activities. Meet the LiQWYD Portable Waist Clip Fan, a powerful yet compact personal cooling solution that provides strong airflow and hands-free convenience. Designed for hiking, fishing, job sites, farms, and more, this wearable belt fan offers 3 adjustable speeds to suit different weather conditions. With a high-density 8,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it runs for up to 23 hours, ensuring long-lasting cooling. It also functions as a power bank to charge your phone on the go. Quiet, lightweight, and shock-absorbent, this clip-on fan is perfect for beating the heat and improving work efficiency in any outdoor setting.